welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. For today's video guys, I will do unboxing, different kinds of unboxing video, because I bought a bag, yes, a bag from a TikTok shop, and this bag is a well-known here in Thailand. The name of the brand, so that's why I want to try. If the quality is good, I will buy more and then I will send to Philippines to my family as a gift. So I received the package, my order yesterday. Took only 24 hours to receive the package, and I am very excited to open it guys and do unboxing, because I am a bag collector. I have a lot of bags, and one of these days I will do video about my bag collections. So let's open, because I want to show you guys what I bought. Oh, the company called, or the brand name called Boston 10. So Boston 10 is a well-known to a leather bag, stylish leather bag. So let's open. So I will use scissors to open the package. Alright. So here. So the color guys is light brown, because I choose light brown because the color of 2025 is mocha. Yeah, mocha brown. So that's why I chose light brown. This one is called Boston 10. So light brown here. So let's open, because there's something inside. Alright guys, so let's open. Okay. Glad that my puppies are sleeping. So let me read this first to you guys. What is it? Oh, so this one. So Boston 10, a card, and it says here, Boston 10, dear buyer, thank you for choosing Boston 10 from among the many vendors. As you open the package, we hope you can feel our sincerity and dedication. In the process of serving you, we may inevitably make mistakes and omissions. If you are not satisfied, please contact our customer service and we will handle it properly until you are satisfied. Thanks for your encouragement and support. So this is the letters, and there is a QR code, WhatsApp QR code, and there is a global account, say TikTok, different country accounts. There is an Instagram, Indonesia, Thailand, Philippines. They also have Facebook, Vietnam, Malaysia, and more countries coming soon. So here guys. So let's open. Yes. So there is a dust bag here. Okay. Oh. Wow. Wow, so nice. So cute. Here is the bag. It says Boston 10. Alright, so let's open. Oh, there is a metal here. Oh, let me open here like this. All right. Wow, I love it. All right, guys. Here. And so there is a tag. It's inside. I pull it out. There is a silicone. And here is the sling bag. Yeah. I love it, guys. Alright. So by the way, guys, I ordered it from TikTok shop, Boston 10 official shop here in Thailand. So it's really beautiful, guys. So about the quality of the leather, guys, soft leather. So and the space inside, so spacious, as you can see. All right, and this one is metal lock. All right, so it's very elegant, simple but elegant. So I love this bag, so I will purchase more and I will give it to my family to Philippines. So don't worry, if you are here in Thailand, I will put their official account on my description box below, as well as the Philippines. So they do have Instagram account in Indonesia, Thailand, and Philippines, and in Facebook they have in Vietnam and Malaysia. So I will put all their link on my description box below. So I hope I will buy more and I will do more unboxing about the Boston 10 bag. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. So see you on my next video, guys. Bye.